Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I still think this is possibly a wave 5, but whether or not the wave 5 is over, I think it's still very debatable. A lot of the yen pairs have turned, but I still don't really see any evidence, at least on the higher time frames, that this really has turned down. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, we definitely do have a pretty significant turn here, but to me it still kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3. So I'm still wondering if this is a wave 4 that's going to go back up again for a wave 5 before it really makes that big significant turn down. So taking it down to the daily is where I think you can see this a little more clearly. This looks like an uptrend for a 1. This looks like a corrective wave 2. This looks like an uptrend for a wave 3. I'm wondering whether this right here is actually going to be like an ABC of 4 and then it's going to go up for a wave 5. To me, according to Elliot wave patterns, it would actually make way more sense for this to end up doing something like this. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, even though this is pretty overlapping, I would definitely consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. I think it's more likely a wave A of 4. I bet now we're going to go up and make a crutch into this move down, which will probably go up at least to the 61 at a 50% Fibonacci for wave B. Then I would expect to see another push down for wave C to make that ABC of 4, just like what I was showing on the daily time frame. So taking it right down to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure. I think it's more likely we are in a wave B right now, so I would expect to see like a wave A. I would expect to see a corrective wave B, and then I would expect to see a wave C, probably at least up to the 61 at a 50% Fibonacci retracement. I still think this is likely to be an A. I think this is likely to be an A, B, C, or B, and then I would expect to see another push down. And I think this is all a wave 4 based on the daily and the weekly time frame. Just like what I was explaining on that 4 hour and on that daily and weekly time frames, I expect to see an A, B, C, or B, then back down for a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all the swing trade setups that I share with the members at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.